Oh, what's up, everybody? It's HD Gamer here with Pokemon Pack Opening. I don't know what the heck part we're on, but we got the new set, Crimson Invasion. So, only one pack because, yeah, that's what we're doing. So, probably gonna get nothing. Hopefully, I don't know. We're gonna do it. And we're not going to look at the code because that gives away how good the pack is, like, pretty much. I can't open packages. Woo! Okay, we got a Buzzwole on the front of the pack. So, 4 from the back. Here we go. Boom. Fairy Energy. Hakamoto. Sorry if it was a bit too high. Wait, we'll focus it. Dashing Pouch. Dashing. Haunter. Stop making noises. Swinub. Numel. Minccino. What is that? Mischievous. Alolan Graveler. Reverse Jangmo. And then so thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please really leave a like down there. For more, we'll return with Crimson Invasion, probably like Christmas time, maybe. If not, then we'll do Shining Legends. And we'll see you guys next time with the next video, whatever that it may be. Peace up, guys. Alolan Graveler.